This is exciting. Hey wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a nice ponytail. Yeah, a slick one. So I'm a makeup artist and I'm no expert in hair, but still I love to create different hairstyles with different tools and with different techniques, and of course with my favorite products. So there you go. This is my natural textured hair. I haven't done anything with it yet. So now I'm going to jump into the products that I love and the tools that I love, and you will see how I create a nice ponytail. So the first step is, of course, after you wash your hair. After I wash my hair, I comb it, but before I comb my hair, I use this. This is my Bumble and Bumble's Hairdresser's Invisible Oil, which I use generously because I just love the feel of it. And of course, I love the way it makes my hair feel. It detangles, it gives me the nice protection for the styling. Actually, it just sets my hair. It is like a primer for my hair. Spray as much as you like because it does not feel greasy. It feels really smooth and soft. And on those days when I just do not want to go for any styling tool, I still use it because it just manages my hair. It's the manager of my hair. Okay, next I'm going to use my comb. Yeah, this one. Most of the products are from Conair because I really like their products. It's nice quality, it does the job well, and I just love to comb my hair with this comb. As you can see, it adds some shine. Yeah, if you compare, it adds some shine, and of course it makes my hair feel super smooth, silky, which I really love. And I love the curls which I have. So when I use my styling tool, I just try to save it. So everything that you need, it's right there. Please check the description box. These are the products that really help me get the style that I want. Just make sure that there are no tangles. That's the difference, you know, when I started and at this stage. Feels very nice to touch and smooth. So the groundwork has been done by my Bumble and Bumble's Invisible Oil. So the next thing that I'm gonna use is my straightening iron. This one, okay. And of course you would need a couple of bobby pins and an elastic, which I have kept in this for my convenience. This is gonna be my hair DIY for all of you, and you got some tips and you got some favorite products. Definitely let me know on the comment section. It's a nice learning experience. It's my space. I love to be creative here, and everything that I kind of know, I want to share with all of you. So there you go. What I love to do is section it. I really find it convenient when I use the bobby pin. I just love to section it just like that. And with the straightener, just love this process. It's really very calming. And just like that, when the work is done, I kind of twist it and secure it with the bobby pin. There you go, another section. Yeah, just get it done, and there you go. This is done. This part is not very fancy, so you can use any hairpin or clip, but I find bobby pins very gentle on hair. That's why I use it. So just like that, I'm going to do this process for rest of my hair. As you can see, this side is done and this side I'm yet to go for the straightening process. Okay, so I'm going to secure it, yeah, the work which I did with my Moroccan oil. I just really want to lock it in a generous amount. This is not greasy. It just makes your hair feel very shiny, glossy, and manageable. Just give your hair a nice treatment with this. Take a moment. It is really calming, relaxing, soothing, and feels great. So I just want to keep doing it because it is making my hair feel so beautiful, light, and free-flowing. Love it. So this is well prepared, and now I'm going to quickly get done with this side. Okay, be right back. All right, straightening done, and now a little bit of shine on this side too. I'm so much into this oil. Just love the feel of it. It's feathery light. That's all for prepping, and a little bit of combing. At this stage, I really love to use this comb to just get the whole thing together, and you can totally leave it at this point, but I'm going to go one more step, and that step for me is this hairspray light hold from Bumble and Bumble. Just couple of sprays and we are locking it. Yeah, well, after this prepping step, you can totally rock this look, or you can go one step ahead, and that's what I'm going to show you, what I love to do. At this point, you would need an elastic, and the parting also you can decide. I really keep switching it. How does it look? It's a fun video. First time something hair wise I'm doing on this platform, and really fun. Thank you for letting me do this. So at this part, I just take all my hair just like that and would take an elastic. I do not comb it another time because that way I feel that it just gets a little bit more slick, and I like this much. An elastic, and I'm just going to secure it just like that. All right, and now one more step, because I just love that step, to pull some hair from here. Maybe this much is good, and I'm going to wrap it around. Yes, just like that. Keep wrapping it around, and I'm going to secure this last part with bobby pin, matching with the hair color. These are the best tools, in my opinion, when it comes to securing any hairdo. So just like that, I think this looks very nice, polished and smart, so I like to do that. And my friends, last but not least, I just use my fancy comb because I just love it to brush the baby hair. Final touch. For this step, you can also use a new toothbrush, but I kind of find it okay, and I am pretty happy with this look. I'm glad you asked for that, and I could share my part, and I could share what I know and what I feel nice about with all of you. Thank you so much. This is Soma saying bye to you, and of course I'll be here soon with some fun video. And if you have got any other request, please leave it on the comment section. It really feels nice. Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe and share, because those are the magic words, your favorites. I'm happy to know about them as well. So thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.